Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an Amazon wishlist and share it. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Amazon, click the Start Here option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating an Amazon wishlist and sharing it with others is a straightforward process. Remember that by creating a wishlist, you provide friends, family, colleagues, clients, your boss, with your partner, with specific gift ideas that you genuinely want or need. This reduces the chance of receiving duplicate gifts or items that may not be useful to you, right? Now, for us to be able to do that, you can do this on the website. Just go to Amazon.com or on your mobile device. Just open the Amazon app. Here, you need to go to where it says Hello, Your Name, Accounts, and List, and hover to the Create a List. Alright, so from here, all I'm gonna do is... Now, I'm gonna rename this one as Andy... Hold on. All right, so you see, before you try to add products here or your shopping cart items, there's an option here that says more. And that means you are given an option to manage the settings. Now, you see, this is going to be the list name. All right. And I'm going to rename it as this one. Now, on terms of the privacy, it depends on the comfort level that you wanted to share with. You can keep it private and keep it shared. And you can manage list with Alexa. Now, Alexa can add items to your list. Anyone with access to your Alexa devices can add items, but Alexa won't read the items off your list. You can also, of course, click on the Alexa can add items and read your list. Or if you don't want to manage this list through Alexa, that's okay. All right. And after that, click on Save Changes. Just wait for it to load. And this is going to be the name of your list or a wish list for that matter. Now, I'm gonna make it something like a wish list instead. Now, it's okay. If you go to the search Amazon, let's say I'm looking for basketball, for example. I'm gonna add something here. For example, this Wilson NCAA Final Four basketball. Click on the item. You see, you can simply add this to a list. All right, you have with that option now. You can one item added to how to create an Amazon wish list and share it. It's a very easy and straightforward process, right? And again, maybe let's look for shoes like Jordans. Let's do that right now. Okay, so for example, this Nike Air One mid-men's shoes Blackfire. You wanted to add this to add to cart. Is it? Click and add to cart. And of course, let's try to add it to our wish list. Proceed to check out 7 items. Now go to your list, all right? And you would be able to see that the items that you have added here on your wish list and share it. All right? If you wanted to invite, just click the plus button here. You can invite someone to view only. If you wanted to have that, you can copy the link and send it to your colleagues and friends. You can invite by email, and of course, you can also have an option for view and edit, wherein you can invited people can add or remove items from your list. All right, and of course, by creating an Amazon wish list, it enhances the gift giving experience for both you and your loved ones, your partners, your clients, your boss, ensuring that gifts are thoughtful, desired, and appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.